Most people think poverty comes from a lack of money, but the truth is poverty comes from a lack of gratitude. Gratitude is not just a polite thank you. It is the highest vibration you can live in, and when you hold that vibration, the universe has no choice but to respond. Without gratitude, you cut yourself off from power. You can work harder, hustle longer, chase opportunity after opportunity, but without gratitude, it will slip through your fingers. With gratitude, though, everything changes. Because the grateful mind always searches for the best. It sees the best, it thinks the best, and then it becomes the best. And when you become the best, you receive the best. So if you want your dream life, don't just wish for it, don't just hope for it, live in gratitude for it before it arrives. Thank the universe in advance. Feel it in your heart as if it's already yours. When you look at your vision board, don't just stare at the pictures, close your eyes, breathe, and feel the gratitude of living inside that reality. When you spend money, don't fall into fear, smile, feel gratitude for what's flowing back to you in return. When doubt creeps in, when you feel lost, when your mind says, I don't know what to do, choose gratitude. And when you have a quiet moment, don't waste it scrolling endlessly, use it. Contemplate your vision with faith, with passion, and with deep, unwavering gratitude. Because the truth is this, gratitude is not just the key to manifestation, gratitude is the key to power. Stay consistent and watch as everything you've ever wanted comes rushing into your life.